Maybe next year.
Sorry. All right, gang.
All right, we're here at about mile 13 and a half. Mile 13 and a half. We're headed into the Avon section of the rail trail here. We have about 42.7 miles to go. All right, so we're about how many miles in now? 15 miles, 14 miles in. We're definitely in Avon, headed towards Sperry Park, and then we're gonna head into the few hills that are on this course. Sun's out, and I think it's close to 7 o'clock a.m. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We'll get a picture of all of us running together. We'll see if it works out. Yeah. I got you.
I can't move.
Let's see what comes out here. We're out here in Plainville. We just passed marathon distance. Obviously the sun is fully up right now. Let's see, my stomach is a little off. I'm gonna try to pull it together, see what happens here the next few miles. Out here on the Plainville-Southington line, I have about 28 miles to go. So I'm in Southington on Route 10, and I've managed to go off course. I got lost. I'm not sure how far I went off course, but some people were driving by and waved to me and gave me some directions. So I'm headed across the busy road, and then I'm going to try to backtrack a little bit and find the course. Hi. Alright, we're somewhere in possibly Cheshire, possibly Hamden, Connecticut. Not entirely sure. And I'm probably about 45 miles in. And it just started raining, so actually the rain is kind of cooling. I don't mind it. There are 11.12 miles to go to Long Wharf in New Haven. Okay, it's continuing to rain. Do you think we're in Hamden? Because I just saw some signs for Connecticut University. Alright, checking in from Hamden. With some pretty exciting news. Down into the single digits, so we are less than 10 miles out. Off to make it here and be allowed to continue was 5:30 p.m. It's a little after 3:30, so safe to say cutoff achieved.
We gotta bring it home for the next these miles.
Yeah,
We got
yeah,
long
Michelle.
calories. We'll bring it home now, right?
As a lifelong Connecticut person, I never thought I'd say I'm so happy to be in New Haven. Okay, it looks like we've reached the end of the road on the rail trail. We're gonna take a little detour through some of the walkways at Yale and actually head down the city streets in New Haven for the last 2.5 miles. Congratulations. Thank you. Hey, congratulations.